Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kucoin. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kucoin. After that, scroll down and then select this option. You can see right here the step-by-step process on how we can transfer from Coinbase to Kucoin. It says here, we have to log in first to Kucoin or create an account. After that, we need to copy the Kucoin wallet address to the clipboard. And then, we have to go back to Coinbase and make a withdrawal. So we need to paste the Kucoin wallet address into Coinbase and then select the blockchain network. After that, we need to confirm the transfer to Kucoin. That's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.